Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at a product called Elycura Gum Repair Gel. It's marketed as a natural solution for gum and teeth repair, claiming to reduce inflammation, stop bleeding gums, restore enamel, and even prevent tooth loss, all within just a few weeks. The brand promotes itself as clinically tested and dentist recommended, and they're offering big discounts and guarantees on their website. But is it really as effective as it sounds, or is it just another overhyped product? Before we dive in, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions here are based on publicly available information, and will also highlight some red flags that suggest potentially misleading marketing. One of the first things that caught my eye is the bold claims. Elycura promises to revitalize gums and whiten teeth within the first week. That's a huge red flag. Real gum tissue doesn't regenerate that quickly, especially if someone is dealing with gum disease like gingivitis or periodontitis. Healing usually takes consistent oral hygiene over weeks or months, and sometimes professional dental care is needed. As for whitening, it depends on the type of stains on your teeth, and most over-the-counter herbal ingredients simply don't have the strength to whiten teeth in a week. Another claim that raises eyebrows is that the gel can restore tooth enamel. Scientifically, that's not accurate. Once enamel is lost, it doesn't grow back because the cells that make enamel disappear after your teeth fully develop. Some products can help with remineralization, like fluoride or hydroxyapatite, but nothing in Elycura's ingredient list, like hyaluronic acid, CoQ10, aloe, or chamomile, has been proven to rebuild enamel, so this is a major red flag from a scientific standpoint. Then there's the pricing. The same product appears on sites like Alibaba for just $1.47, while the official website sells it for nearly $50. That's a huge markup, and suggests the brand might be using a drop shipping model, buying the gel cheaply overseas and reselling it at a much higher price. It doesn't necessarily mean the product doesn't work, but it does make you question the business practices. Finally, the ingredient list itself doesn't inspire confidence for treating serious dental issues. While things like hyaluronic acid, CoQ10, aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamins may temporarily soothe inflammation, they are not clinically proven to reverse gum disease, restore enamel, or prevent tooth loss. The formula lacks recognized dental actives like fluoride or hydroxyapatite. Just because something is natural doesn't automatically make it effective. Herbal extracts alone cannot replace proper periodontal care. So, in conclusion, while Elycura Gum Repair Gel may not be a 100% scam, it does raise several serious concerns. The claims are scientifically questionable, the pricing seems inflated, and the ingredients lack strong clinical backing. If you're thinking about trying it, proceed with caution and make sure to consult a dental professional for any real gum or tooth problems. Awareness is key.